Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel Rana Kaisar Shehzad. Hopefully you are doing well. In today's video we will just welcome back to the domestic workers which is coming today, the first flight. So with today's the warm welcome back to Filipino domestic workers arrived in Kuwait Tuesday 15 December 2020. The first flight to Kuwait Airways and a 61 passenger have arrived on board, which has resulted in the beginning of the domestic workers return plan according to the requirements of the health authorities. Today's the first flight which have arrived in Kuwait airport with the health precautions, and those who are stuck in his countries they came back to Kuwait, and the sponsor of his get them, and with the quarantine period will be do at his home, and they have to do all the health requirements, like they have to done a PCR in his country, and they have to check at the airport, and after that they have all the requirement which they needed at airports. They have checked all those things, like they have registered in Slonic app and follow up the instructions while the 14 days quarantine period at the home. So we are really and warm welcome once again those who are coming back to works, and this is the good, and this is a good news, and hopefully everyone will back to normal. And we are say, if you likes my video, please like, comments your opinion. If you have any question you can ask to me. You can subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Keep continue, be experts. We are here to serve the community and overseas. Thank you. For more videos subscribe me my YouTube channels Rana Kaisar Shehzad. Thank you. Take care. Have a nice day. See you again on the other video. Take care.